Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your REALME GT Neo 5. So first, what we want to do is remove the screen protector or a case. So when your screen protector is poorly applied, then it might be the issue, or if it's misaligned or cheap quality. So make sure that you have the high quality screen protector, that you also have the original case. I don't have an original one, but still it does the job. And I know it's not the issue because I've measured it right here. So I know that it does not cover the screen. If your case covers the screen even a little bit, then it might cause issues with the ghost touch. And after that, what you guys can do is clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture. So grab your microfiber cloth and give it a few good swipes. So after that, what you guys can do is basically go over the settings and check for any software updates to fix the touch bugs. So open up your phone, now go to settings, and here scroll all the way down until you cannot scroll anymore and go to system update, and here go to software update. So as you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically and my version is up to date. So if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.